Hey there! In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to use the Home Renovation Budget Planner template, step by step. Whether you're gutting a kitchen or refreshing a bathroom, this spreadsheet keeps every dollar, contractor, and deadline organized in one place. Let's start on the dashboard. This is your command center for the entire project. It shows your total budget versus what you've actually spent, broken down by room. Everything pulls in automatically from the other tabs. So if you set a total budget of $45,000, you always know exactly how much is allocated, how much is spent, and how much is left. Now let's look at how the room budgets work. I'll use the kitchen tab as an example, but there are 6 room tabs total, including bathroom, living room, bedroom, basement, and outdoor. On the kitchen tab, you enter each line item. Cabinets at $8,500, countertops at $3,200, backsplash at $1,100. For each item, you put in the estimated cost and the actual cost once it's paid. The template tracks the difference so you see right away if you're over or under. Next up is the Contractors tab. This is where you track everyone you're hiring or getting quotes from. Enter the name, specialty, phone number, quote amount, and status. Mike's Plumbing, quote of $2,800, status hired. Johnson Electric, $1,950, status pending. It's a simple way to compare quotes and keep contact info in one spot. Here's where it gets really useful. The Timeline tab. You enter each task with a start date, end date, and which room it belongs to. Kitchen demo, June 1st through June 5th. Cabinet install, June 15th through June 20th. You can see at a glance what overlaps and whether you're on track. Now let's look at the Cost Comparison tab. Before buying materials, this tab lets you compare prices from different suppliers. Enter the item, then the price from each source. Quartz countertops, $52 per square foot at Home Depot versus $47 at a local stone yard. The template highlights the best deal, so you make smart purchasing decisions without flipping between a dozen browser tabs. The Permits tab keeps all your paperwork organized. You enter each permit type, the application date, cost, status, and notes. Electrical permit, applied May 15th, $75 approved. It's a simple checklist that makes sure nothing falls through the cracks before the inspector shows up. And finally, the ROI calculator. If you're renovating with resale value in mind, this tab estimates your return on investment. Enter the room, renovation cost, and estimated value added. A $15,000 kitchen remodel that adds $22,000 in home value gives you a 47% return. It helps you prioritize which projects are actually worth doing. Get the Home Renovation Budget Planner template today. Link is in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy renovating.